Adding products from the Quick Cart is a fast and efficient process. First, log into your MyIllumina account. Next, click the My Cart icon in the upper right of the screen and select Go to Quick Cart. When the Quick Cart page appears, you search for and add any product in each of the respective search fields. To add additional lines, click the Add More link at the bottom. You can also use the autofill feature in the free text field to help locate the product you're interested in. When complete, click Add to Cart. Note you also have the option to upload a list using the Product List CSV template, where you can download, complete, and then upload the completed list. Alternatively, if you have a quote, enter the quote number in the respective quote number field and select Add to Cart.